If you are wondering if Google Pixel 9a supports LHDC audio codec for Bluetooth devices, then the answer seems to be no. If I go to the settings of my Bluetooth device, there we go, then in this case there is no option that allows me to turn it on or off, there is no information. However, I also have LDAC Bluetooth device, earbuds specifically, and there is no option as well. So there's actually one more way to check if LHDC is supported, more precisely developer options. So if we go to system settings and developer options, then in this case, if I scroll down, I should be able to find Bluetooth audio codec. And as you can see, I have AAC and SBC, but there is no LHDC. Compared to LDAC, if I connect LDAC Bluetooth device, then I have the option to select it over here. In the case of LHDC, there is no option, so this can only mean that there is actually no LHDC audio codec on this phone. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!